Hello everyone. In the ninth standard, we learned that the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The ordered pair which satisfies the equation is a solution of that equation. Students, in the last week, we studied again how to find out the ordered pairs and also how to represent the ordered pairs in a tabular form as a revision. Today, we are going to study about how to draw a graph of linear equation in two variables using such ordered pairs. Now, these are the steps to follow for drawing a graph of linear equation in two variables. First step, find at least four ordered pairs for a given equation. Now, why it is suggested that to take at least four ordered pairs? You know that 2 points are sufficient to represent a line. But if coordinates of one of the 2 points are wrong, then you will not get a correct line. If you plot 3 points and if they are non-collinear, then it is understood that one of the points is wrongly plotted. And also, it is not easy to identify the incorrect point. If we plot 4 points, it is almost certain that 3 of them will be collinear. So, take at least 4 ordered pairs for a given equation. Second step, draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper. Plot the points. Third step, see that all 4 points lie on one line. Let us draw a graph of the following equation. 2x plus y equal to 1 is the given equation, which is a linear equation in two variables. So, these are the steps to follow. First, to draw this equation, choose at least 4 convenient values of x and find the corresponding values of variable y. Step 2. Write these values in a tabular form. Step 3. Draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper. Plot the points. Step 4. Join these points by a straight line. Now, how to find an ordered pair? So, first write the equation 2x plus y equal to 1. Put convenient values of x. So, I put here x equal to 0. So, equation becomes 2 into 0 plus y equal to 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus y equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to 1. Second value, put x equal to 1 in the given equation. So, 2 into 1 plus y equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus y equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. So, in this way, we get the ordered pairs. Now, we have to plot the points on the graph paper. So, take a graph paper and plot the points. First point 0, 1. So, A is the first point. Second point 1 minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Point B 1 minus 1. Third point minus 1 comma 3. and fourth point 2, comma, -3. And join these points by a straight line. So, this is the line which is passing through all 4 points. In this way, we draw a graph of a linear equation in 2 variables. Again, already studied the substitution method and elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. Today, we are going to solve the simultaneous equations graphically. So, this is the example. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. X plus y equal to 6 is the first equation and x minus y equal to 4 is the second equation. So, solution. So, prepare a table for ordered pairs for the equation first x plus y equal to 6 such that put x equal to 0 in this equation, we get the value of y equal to 6 and ordered pair is 0, 6. Again put x equal to 1 here and we get the value of y as 5. So ordered pair is 1, 5. Again put x equal to 2 here and get the value of y as 4. So ordered pair is 2, 4. Again took the fourth value of x, that is x equal to 3. Put here x equal to 3 and we get the value of y is 3. So ordered pair is 3, 3. This is the table for this equation x plus y equal to 6. Again prepare the table ordered pairs for equation 2 x minus y equal to 4. Now put x equal to 0 here, we get the value of y minus 4. Second value x equal to 1, so the value of y equal to minus 3 and ordered pair is 1, minus 3. Again put the value of x as 2, so value of y equal to minus 2 and ordered pair is 2, minus 2. Next value put x equal to minus 1 and get the value of y as minus 5. So ordered pair is minus 1, minus 5. Now plot these points on a graph paper. We get the solution. Again take a graph paper and plot the points. For the first equation, plot the 4 points as 0, 6. Here put 0, 6 and this is the point here. Second point 1, 5. Third point 2, 4. 2, 4. And fourth point 3, 3. These are the 4 points which are plotted here. Join these points by a line. So, this is the line which is passing through these points. Now, Now again plot the remaining 4 points for the second equation. So first point for the second equation is 0, minus 4. So this is the point E represent 0, minus 4. Second point 1, minus 3. Third point for second equation is 2, minus 2. And fourth point for the second equation is minus 1, minus 5. So these are the 4 points which are plotted here for the second equation. Now join these points by a straight line. So this is the line passing through these 4 points. And we have to find the point of intersection of these 2 lines. So point of intersection is point I and the coordinates are 5, 1. So this is our solution. This is the equation for first line, x plus y equal to 6. The second equation is x minus y equal to 4, and this is the solution 5, 1. This is our solution set. Now in this way we find the solution set for the simultaneous equations. Now these are some examples for your homework. Solve these examples in your notebook. Thank you.